Yo, in this video, I'm gonna be joined by Animal Bros. In this video, we're gonna be becoming the best DOW trio. Let's go! Alright, y'all, first round with the Animal Bros, going against a Rampager, a Danger, King Pong 3, and Invincible 3. Yo, why are we on this Buns map, bro? Why are we on this Buns map?
Don't worry, bro. This map's stupid.
This map is actually Buns, though. Yo, I wasn't able to switch my loadout.
Holy, this is the type of map you need to use Cheryl.
Yo, why am I so laggy? I'm actually so laggy right now.
Yeah, I feel like
106 on crossbow, 106 on crossbow. Nice.
Guys, I only did like 70 damage.
Yo, 120, 120. I did 106 on one, 120 on the other.
I'm dead, but I hit crossbow.
No. No, oh my god.
Guys, I'm sorry. But you guys need to use auto stock. Whenever I get close to someone and drink, it's so nice.
Yeah.
It's gonna be the best.
Yo.
I can't hit any fuel shots.
I'm sorry.
Why are you only using?
Oh, let's go. Animal Bros killed one. Yeah, full rush, full rush.
I hit this guy 60. I'm gonna mark. I hit this guy 60.
Got him. Yo, let's go. Okay, I think we can win this. I low-key thought we were gonna lose on this map because this map is actually Buns. I did 89 on a guy in the back. Okay, got one. Where is he? Oh shoot. Okay, he has RPG. He has RPG.
Dude, I am
Got him. Nice. Yo, low-key, we are winning this.
Round starting.
Oh, he's solo. Nice. Yo, where's Black Dot?
He must be in the center. He's over here. Oh, over on the other side.
Go full rush him. It's a 3v1.
Oh, I got this guy. I didn't like 20.
Yo, I got him. Bro, there's no way we lose, bro. We're the best DOW trio. The best DOW trio can't lose. It's impossible.
Round starting.
Holy head snipe. Oh my god.
Yo, that was crazy. I just heard a kaboom and then I just think somebody dead.
Oh, I just
my
got
gosh, another one?
How is he not dead?
Yeah, that guy's
Go!
dead. Oh my god, I never beat.
Alright, y'all, second round with the Animal Bros. Going against a Titan Toon, Apex King, and Apex Major. This map is also kind of bonus. Oh, that's shot with fire lit up.
We all know that we're going like
Oh, I'm getting grenaded. What the frick?
Oh shit, I just see a green grenade.
Bro, all my damage is gone. How is he not dead? Go, back to left. We gotta go. Oh, what? Let's go. You actually clutched.
Round starting.
Yeah.
No, I used that one.
Yo, nice.
I got the most. Yo, I got pink one tap. Got one.
Nice.
Kit Kat, spicy food.
Oh, wait, there's one left?
No, wait, my head is full.
Nice.
Spicy food, bro.
I actually, like, okay, it comes as a surprise. I actually don't eat a lot of spicy food. I'm not gonna lie. Yo, 109. Nice.
Okay, spicy food.
Yo, I'm pretty low. Yo, watch out grenades. Watch out grenade. Nice. Low key.
Oh yeah, well obviously we keep using this loadout, we're gonna.
Honestly, the no skill loadout's probably the best. Let's be honest.
If we could do it with this loadout.
Oh, I just got head tapped, bro. Oh, I killed him with my grenade though. Oh, he was low-key AFK or something. I don't even know. Alright, 4-0. Time for a 5-0.
Oh, guys, my sticky grenade hit him.
Oh, let's go. Where is he? There's one left, right?
Oh yeah, 5
Nice.
Spicy food. Wait, spicy.
Alright, y'all. Game 3 with the Ammo Bros. Going against an Invincible, Titanodian, and Rampager. Why are we doing this Buns map again? Like, every single map we've done is basically just Buns. Bro, for real. Like, you can't use skilled loadouts on these maps or else you'll just lose because of how small they are. Where is he? I look, you don't know where he is. I got one. Yo, I'm looking out of ammo. Go, grenade. Nice.
Holy, I did not realize I just downed it.
Dang. Alright, let's go. Nice.
Okay, I killed one and I did decent damage. Yeah, you guys got that.
Nice. It's so no skill, but it works so well.
Yeah. One of their teammates. Oh, there he left.
Oh,
Yeah, we're definitely going to a third and fourth match.
yeah. I think fourth should be fine.
Oh, I got headshot. I hit one time now. Oh, yeah. One down.
Where is he? Alright. Nice. Alright, nice. Because one of their guys left. I don't know why. People who leave, honestly, like, if you're someone watching this video who leaves matches randomly, like, I don't understand.
Like, if you're gonna leave, don't.
For real.
Oh, no. Are you behind us?
Yo, I have 5 kills. I have the most kills. That's something. I might have the least damage, but I have the most kills. For real. Got him. Where is he?
Yeah, that guy. Oh, crap.
Yo, I'm dog water at this game! GG's. Alright, y'all, fourth and final match.
Actually, wait, what do y'all think is a
Rampager,
skilled map?
Rampager,
I'll go for
Danger,
the skilled
and
map. What's a
Apex.
skilled map?
Yo, 10 on 1. Yo, one here. Yo. Oh, I got doubled. They did? They added FOV back? Oh, you're good. Yo, what the heck? Let's go, I got one.
I don't know how much throws you did.
Alright.
Just run, because you're shotgun, so if you can make some good distance. 200, ain't nobody hit me!
Yo, what the frick? He just one-tapped me.
Wait, we have to find bugs.
Bruh. Alright. We got this. We're good. Oh, I did 92 on 2. 2 of them. 2 of them I did 90 damage on. Yo, he's solo. Yo, okay, I killed one, but I died. Nice. Dang. That's alright. Alright, I did no damage. Yo, guy here. Nice. Yo, one here.
Got him.
Where's the last guy? Oh, nice!
It would take us. Challenge us, Legend Monk.
Yo, for real? Okay. Now, let's not get ahead of ourselves, gang. 39.
Nah, bro, we could.
Go for real.
They will match us.
One guy here. Nice.
Oh, I'm dead.
I got your back. Yo, last guy, where's
Above
you?
you, above you.
What the frick? No, I didn't even see him.
Are
That's...
you good at Gorilla Tag?
Yeah, I played Gorilla Tag for a really long time before Animal Rivals. Oh, 93 on 1. I did, like, half their health. I think it's on Christmas.
10 times better.
It's so much more easy to move. Wait, Spicy Food, did you agree that Gorilla Tag's super hard to move?
No, not hard. But after playing Animal Rivals for a really long time, it's definitely harder.
64.
Alright, nice.
Gee, really?
No, bro. We don't lose, bro. got one, I got one, I
Oh,
got
I
one.
did 16 points.
Nice.
I killed one.
Got him. Let's go!
Wait, I forgot to do.
Alright guys, that's going to be the end of the video. If you did enjoy, make sure to like and subscribe. Also go check out Animal Bros' point of view for their video. You guys have a good one. Subscribe! Subscribe!